Welcome to ChartGo, the easy-to-use chart maker. In this video, we will be showing you how to create a chart using ChartGo. Currently, we find ourselves in the landing page, in the home page. This is the page you start off with whenever you choose ChartGo. Just get this started quickly, let's click on the Start Using ChartGo button. Here we are in the Create Chart page. The Create Chart page consists of sections that change the visual representation of your chart. We also have a preview section, so depending on what choices you make from the different sections, we can preview them here to see what they look like. Let's start off by entering our data here in the chart data section. For our chart example, we will be creating a quarterly revenue for a company. Let's enter some data here. Now that we are done entering the data, let's see what the preview looks like. I'm happy with the preview. Let's add some descriptive information to our chart. So let's give it a title. And a Y title. Press preview. Again, I'm happy with what I see. One of the things that I enjoy doing is changing the background color. So I'm going to go here and change it to a gray moderate. I enjoy dark backgrounds. And to preview, I like what I see, but I noticed that the fonts are hard to read. So here we can go to the general settings section, and in the font colors, you can choose white to make it more presentable. I'm happy with this chart. Now I am going to click on the Create a Chart button. From here, we have some other options. For one, you'll see that your chart is fully represented with the full size you entered previously. We left it as default, but it was much larger than what it appeared in the preview. You have the option of visualizing your chart as a different type of chart, as a line chart, area chart, pie chart. I'm going to stick with the bar chart. Here you will notice you have other options as well. You can continue modifying your chart by clicking on the Modify Chart, or you can download an image representation of your chart. So it basically downloads the image you see here. You can download an SVG, which is a different type of chart format, or you can print your chart, which means it opens your chart in a different page but with just the chart and nothing else, so you can print it without any extras showing up. That is it for this example. I hope you enjoyed it. We will be making a lot more of these, and thank you for watching.